So real quick, can you show me again where you're feeling the sciatica?
Right through here.
Okay, kind of all through there. All right, thank you. So we're just going to kind of take your foot and bring it back and forth, try to open up this hip a little bit and get some more mobility in there. Good. How's that pressure?
It's good.
It's not too much?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Yeah, it's a brick down here.
It feels tighter.
Yeah. Tender here too or no?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Breathe. Nice deep breath. Good. Again. Tender here?
Mm-hmm.
Tender here?
Not as much.
Okay. All right. So let's start up here in your thoracic spine. So go ahead, take a deep breath in. All the way out, let it go. Good. Do that one more time. Good, good. Okay, again, deep breath. Okay. Good. Okay, just gonna bring your head over a little bit. Perfect. Good. All right, great. Come on up and then have you face me. Good. Relax, relax. Breathe. Okay. Flip the other way.
Sorry.
Turning over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Same kind of thing. A little. Something just moved already. A little more. Good. Good. All right. Face down one more time.
Sorry.
You're fine. Go ahead. Okay, couple little drops here. Just gonna lift this hip up too. Just relax. Good. Okay. Tender?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lift that leg a little bit. Back down. Do it a few times. Good. Relax. Breathe. Sorry, maybe a little bruised. That's right. Okay, one more. Okay, good. Come on. Okay, so you're doing some yoga. Are you doing home yoga or what?
Oh, hold on. I can't talk right now. Can't talk when you do that.
Okay. Okay, good. Just a little bit.
I tense up. I'm doing a YouTube